A very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Craig, and I'm going to do a presentation on COVID 19, the spread of COVID 19, and the vaccines available and the precautions we can take. What is COVID 19? COVID 19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID 19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. Where did it begin? In December 2019, a pneumonia outbreak was reported in Wuhan, China. On 31st December 2019, the outbreak was traced to a novel strain of coronavirus, which was given the interim name 2019 nCoV by the World Health Organization, later renamed SARS-CoV-2 by the International Committee of Taxonomy of Virus. How did it spread? The new coronavirus is a respiratory virus which spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. The disease is most contagious when a person's symptoms are at their peak. However, it is possible for someone without symptoms to spread the virus. A new study suggests that 10% of infections are from people exhibiting no symptoms. Current situation in India. The COVID 19 pandemic has now risen to a global health crisis across the globe. This novel virus outbreak has challenged India's economic, medical, and public health infrastructure. Healthcare professionals and researchers around the world are looking for an effective treatment regime for COVID 19. The number of people infected by COVID 19 in India crossed 9.74 million nearly 11 months after country reported its first case. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of India (MOHFW) has taken numerous measures to raise awareness on COVID 19. The necessary actions to control the spread of COVID of control the spread of the virus. What is vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease causing microorganism and is often made from the weakened or killed forms of the microbe, its toxins, or one of its surface proteins. Vaccine for COVID 19. Safe and effective vaccines are a game changing tool. But for the foreseeable future, we must continue wearing masks, cleaning our hands, ensuring good ventilation indoors, physical distancing, and avoiding crowds. Being vaccinated does not mean that we can throw cautions to the wind and put ourselves and others at risk, particularly because research is still ongoing into how much vaccines protect not only against disease but also against infections and transmissions. Vaccines available in India for COVID 19. Currently, there are three types of vaccines available in India for COVID 19. They are Sputnik V, Covishield, and Covaxin. Russia's Sputnik V has been deemed to be safe and works in a way similar to the Oxford AstraZeneca jab, which is being made in India as Covishield. Sputnik V gives around 92% protection against COVID 19. Late stage trial results published in the Lancet reveal. India has so far given more than 100 million doses of approved vaccines like Covishield and Covaxin. How we as a citizen of this country can take precautions in fighting this virus. To prevent the spread of COVID 19, clean your hands often, use soap and water or alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Do not touch your eyes or nose or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay at home if you feel unwell. If you have a cough, fever, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention or get yourself tested for COVID 19. Let's be a responsible citizen and fight this virus. This is a pace and this too shall pass. Thank you.